Hello, you all. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Kalia, and today I'm going to be talking about 5 reasons that you should move to Atlanta. All right, stay tuned. So I thought about this idea, and I was just like, I know a lot of people enjoyed the video that I made about, what you need to do in order to move to Atlanta. Make sure you check that video out. If you haven't already, I'm going to link it down in the description box below. I'm going to be looking down because I have all my stuff written down on my notebook. Y'all already know how I am with my notebook, okay? But anyways, the first reason is that Atlanta was recently rated the top city for recent college graduates and also young business professionals. I talk to so many people who are in their business or that makeup business or that cosmetic line, anything that you plan on doing, this is the city to do it in. You're surrounded by so many people who are, driven. That is one of the number one reasons I would say you should move. It's a great city if you want to be surrounded by around people who are looking to do the same thing as you. Now that can be a good thing and also can be a bad thing, but I'm gonna go get into that later in this video. Second reason why is because, which kind of ties into the first thing, but Atlanta is considered like the new Hollywood of the South. The reason why is because we have so much opportunity. It's so much room for growth in city. You have a lot of people who are actresses, singers, these people are like mainstream people that live here in Atlanta, and all you have to do is be in the right place at the right time, and I'm telling you, an opportunity will come up for you. You have to keep networking. This is a great city to network in because we are the Hollywood of the South. You meet so many different people, like it's crazy. And sometimes I take for granted, yes, I grew up here and I'm like, I'm over this, I'm over Atlanta, but it's really, really important that you, if you do decide to move here, that you take advantage of all the opportunities that are here. The third thing is that there's always something to do here. I also speak with people who say, I'm from, even if you live in Georgia, but you're like from Macon or Dahlonega, like I get so many people that say, yes, this, like it's dead after a certain time, or, there's nothing to do. It's the same thing that I'm doing all the time. In Atlanta, like you literally cannot get bored, especially if you're not from here, because there's so many things that you can do. Like there's so many bars. You can do skydiving, well, indoor skydiving. There's like nature places that you can go. You can go to the park. You can go to the botanical garden. You can go to the Coca-Cola factory. You can go to the Georgia Aquarium. It's so much to do here, and a lot of stuff you don't even have to pay for. Like going to the park, going to Piedmont Park, like looking at the different scenery that you have downtown, walking on the Beltline. You guys, the Beltline is something, I love being close to, Pont City Market. And I know you guys don't know what this is, but I will like see if I can link an image or something. But basically the Beltline is like a trail and you can see parts of the city when you go walking through there. It's really cute. The fourth reason why is because, like I said earlier, if you are a driven business professional, you are going to be pushed to the absolute max, okay? Like when I tell you, one thing that I can say is that people in my city do not wait around. To remember that just like you're planning on moving to Atlanta, 10,000 other people are planning on moving to Atlanta, and they're planning on working, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people can't put their money where their mouth is, but I'm telling you all, it's going to push you to the max. Like it almost is like a wake up call for me, because it's like I was born and raised here, but I have so much opportunity in front of me that I almost take it for granted sometimes, because I don't realize how much, you can go to other places and there's nowhere near as much opportunity as it is here. And sometimes because I grew up here and this is normal to me, I take it for granted. But then I see someone who moved from Tennessee to Atlanta and they're out here working, you guys. Like, I'm telling you, the work atmosphere, the work ethics of people trying to actually win, it really boosts you and encourages you and it motivates you. You can't, there's a million hair businesses in Atlanta, so you have to set yourself apart. You have to look at your competition and be better. That's what it's going to do. It puts you in a mindset of, I can do this times 10. Like, you actually like get amped and ready to go. Last but not least, the cost of living. Now, I know some people may argue with me, you know, Atlanta is expensive, the rates are expensive, yada yada yada. But let me tell you guys, oh, and I know this has been sitting here the whole time. This is my pillow. So, the cost of living is getting higher in Atlanta. I mean, you gotta realize, like, you're in an area that not everyone, you have opportunity that not everyone has access to. Because you can't go to New York and do what you can do here in New York and pay the same rates that you pay here. Like, you can't go to California and pay the rates that you pay in Georgia in California. That's, compared to major cities, that is something that we come in first place at. Yes, our prices are getting, you know, higher as far as cost of living because we have a lot of people moving here. A lot of headquarters are being built in Atlanta. There are apartments to go up higher because there's higher demand for, you know, having a place to stay. Now, the prices are still very affordable compared to these major cities. You definitely get what you pay for. When you move to the city, you're going to be paying more. But guess what? Everything that you need is going to be within a 2 to 3 mile radius. You can walk to the hospital, you can walk to the grocery store, you can walk to the gas station, you can walk to the Coca-Cola factory. Everything that you need is right there. Entertainment, food, gas, grocery stores, the pharmacy. These are things that you have to really take into consideration. Yes, you are paying a little bit more compared to small town, but you have a lot more opportunity, you have a lot more things to do. So that is all for my video. I don't want to hold you out too long. Stay tuned for the next video. I will be posting another one. Hopefully it will get uploaded Saturday or Sunday, but it's probably gonna be Sunday. If you all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Every time I see someone subscribe, I get so excited. I'm like, y'all want to subscribe to me? Me? Oh my gosh, thank you. If you have any suggestions for the next video, I'm going to start doing something very different, so that way when it's time to do another video, like if you guys have suggestions, I'm going to put it in a jar and I'm going to put my ideas in a jar and I'm going to mix it up and I'm going to pull from it from after each video. So y'all, that's going to be pretty exciting. If you all have any questions, you know how to go. But bye, you all. Have a good day.